Crochet that glows? Get ready, I'm testing out yarn that lights up your life and your crochet. Stick around for a special discount too. Hey there, I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today we're talking about something super fun, glow-in-the-dark yarn. Bling Bling Glow-in-the-Dark yarn recently sent me a ton of options, including glow-in-the-dark yarns in different weights, colors, and even some yarn with metallic threads for extra sparkle. And let me tell you, I've been having so much fun experimenting with them. Bling Bling offers yarns in weights ranging from thread to light DK, so there's something for a lot of different kinds of projects. Whether you want something delicate and intricate or more substantial piece, they've got some options. Oh, and check this out. They even have glow-in-the-dark yarn with metallic threads woven through it, giving that extra shimmer during the day and then a super glow at night. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you love yarn reviews like this one, plus free patterns, tutorials, and all kinds of knit and crochet goodies, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bells. I would love to have you join me on all of my yarn adventures. Now let's talk about some of the yarn details. So I decided to incorporate Bling Bling's thread weight yarn into this petite basket weave cowl. This is a free pattern on my website, and I'll leave a link to both the pattern and the free video tutorial in the description below. And you can follow along and see exactly how I worked the glow-in-the-dark thread into the cowl. So even though it was a finer weight, it was super easy to work with. It didn't fray or split, which is always a plus when you're working with specialty yarns like this. And of course, the best part, the glow. How amazing is that? That's with no flash and no extended shutter exposure. Even in low light, it holds a strong glow, and it adds such a fun twist to an otherwise classic piece like this. But here's the really cool part. Bling Bling's glow-in-the-dark yarn comes in so many colors. I think a lot of us are used to just kind of white or green when it comes to glow yarn, but they have so many colors that glow so well. So check out these vibrant shades. From blues and pinks to purples and yellows, there's something for every project. And if you're like me and you love a little bit more variety in your yarn stash, they even have variegated glow-in-the-dark yarn. You can see how each of the colors has a different glow effect. They're so fun. There's so many things that you can make with these. And if glow-in-the-dark isn't enough, Bling Bling also offers reflective yarn. This is a great option for anyone making projects for outdoor use like hats, scarves, or anything where you want to add a bit of nighttime visibility. One of the things I absolutely loved about working with this yarn is how soft it is. You know, sometimes specialty yarns can be a bit rough or scratchy. Not this one. Even the glow-in-the-dark with the metallic thread had a nice feel to it. It's the perfect balance of like fun and functional. So I worked with both the thread weight and the cowl and the DK weight on some other projects, and they were both super easy to incorporate into the projects. There was no snagging, no fraying, which is a huge bonus when you're working with yarn that has a special feature like glow in the dark. There's so many fun ways to use Bling Bling's glow in the dark or reflective yarn. You can add it to hats or scarves for a playful touch, or use the reflective yarn for safety projects like biking gear or dog collars that stand out at night. It's also perfect for Halloween decorations, glowing amigurumis, or even home decor like pillows and blankets that light up when the lights go out. You could even crochet fun party accessories and costumes with it for a unique glowing twist. The possibilities are endless. So now that you've seen all these different options, what would you make with this yarn? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. And if you're ready to try Bling Bling yarn for yourself, I've got a little treat for you. There's a promo code in the description that will get you a discount on your order. You'll also find the link again to this free cowl pattern and video tutorial down there as well. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today and geeking out over this yarn that glows in the dark. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews, tutorials, and free patterns, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.